Hello and welcome to Sensory Storytime.
He rode to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hop the hare.
Inside your trap kit, you will find rainbow balls, gold coins, shiny shamrocks, crayons, and a glue stick. This will help you complete your leprechaun trap at the end of the story. The night is dark. The streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is near. Another house. I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. I'll put out all your laces, put glitter in your hair. And when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap. But yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. House number 1, I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea. But I'm too speedy for a trap. This tea is mine for free. I know you want my pot of gold. The iron cage was clever. But I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. Ha 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 ha. Now you're getting fancy. But I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy pantsy dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Your entire house is one big trap. From the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough I'll stroll right out the door. The leprechaun, "Begone 3,000," gave me quite a scare. But without a four-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. Next year. But who will that child be? The end.